Hello friends, katal job ni notification tayai hastine jobs YouTube channel norojotono lamsago. To friends tini katal job ni notification ka border roads organization bisintina katal notification ka on notification bisinte orola jagnai multi skill worker, nursing assistant, storekeeper technical, driver engine static o post kabrino la jagnai te multi skill worker ni bagai categories post jatongo unreserved ke 26, HC 30, ST 15, OBC ke 56, EWS ke 20 te total tong 147 te nursing assistant ni bagai ke unreserved 56, HC 26, ST 13, OBC ke 44, EWS ke 16 te total tong 155 te friends multi skill worker te nursing assistant ni bagai online application ni last date tong 22 July 2022 jura na tong storekeeper technical ni bagai ro category wise vacancy jatongo unreserved ke 157, HC 53, ST ke 26, OBC ke 103, EWS ke 38 te total tonai 377 te driver engine static ni bagai ke unreserved 164, HC ke 90, ST ke 50, OBC ke 177, EWS ke 18 te storekeeper technical driver engine static ni bagai online application last date tongnai 11 July 2022 तारिख jura na tongnai te firing ke jang tabo o job ni bagai essential qualification nailai te multi skill worker ni bagai age limit tongna nangnai 18 ni 25 years jura te qualification ke matriculation maidin pass khajangnai te logi ITI khlaijangnai te multi skill worker nursing assistant ni bagai age limit nangnai 18 years ni 27 years jura te biology subject ina high secondary pass khajangnai te logi 1 year ni nursing course ni certificate tongna nangnai o job ni bagai apply khlaina thangke te storekeeper technical ni bagai age limit tongna nangnai 18 ni 27 years jura te high secondary pass khajangnai te logi relating to vehicle storekeeping knowledge tongna nangnai te desirable jatongo 3 years experience in store establishment te phone number jatongo multi skill worker driver engine static ni bagai age limit ke 18 ni 27 years te qualification nangnai matriculation pass khlajangnai maidin pass khlajangnai te logi o job ni bagai apply khlaina thangke ITI training course khlajangnai to friends omongka border road organization job ni bagai shortly notification tere sujatongo education qualification te more information ni bagai full details naina bagai te website jatongo www.bro.government.in o website habina norna visit khaidi ni saja ta friends omongka border roads organization bisintina katal job ni notification o mahai katal job ni video naina bagai hastine jobs YouTube channel subscribe khai te support